Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market. Today we are going to check the Bitcoin price together. Also, we are going to check the Ethereum price as Ethereum had a huge run at the weekend actually, and we are going to discuss about that one as well. Also, we are going to check the silver price as well. Maybe we are going to see a dump on silver, and we are going to check the total market cap and Bitcoin dominance as well. Stay with me, let's check them out. Bitcoin is going absolutely crazy, and it looks like Bitcoin doesn't want to get the correction anytime soon. We are on the daily time frame in Bitcoin. Actually, what we can see in here on the right side, what do we have? Too many altcoins in green. Actually, the cryptocurrency market in green, 15%, 11%, 9%. Too many percentage to the upside. It's a beautiful Monday. We are going to start for the new week. As I have told you, if Bitcoin could pass actually $17,725, this area could be a new support for Bitcoin. And as you can see on the chart, what do we have in here? Actually, Bitcoin came back to break this line. Actually, the purple line is not that powerful enough. As I told you actually last time, it's just like a pick to the upside we have got in 2017, but this trend line, the yellow trend line, actually is really powerful. It was working since 2016 or no 17 till now. For Bitcoin actually is going to make a really powerful support for now for Bitcoin. As you can see on the chart, yesterday Bitcoin actually had a dump to the downside till $17,600, but this area was working really good as a support. And today actually we had another dump to downside till $18,000 for Bitcoin. Now the bulls actually stepped back into the market and they bought more Bitcoin. Now what do we can see on the chart? Maybe we are going to see, as I have told you last week as well, we are going to see another push to the upside till about $19,000 or $19,500 for Bitcoin. If this time this yellow trend line we have got in here get broken, actually the next resistance we have got is going to be this trend line in yellow color. It would be around the $20,500 or $21,000 for Bitcoin. And after that, maybe we are going to see a very big rejection to the downside. This actually the white line we have got in here, it was working as a resistance before for Bitcoin. After Bitcoin broke this one to the upside, and this area was a really important resistance and zone resistance actually for Bitcoin. It was about a $14,000 area. As I told you, $14,000 get broken to the upside is going to be fantastic, and is going to be really big rally to the upside. I think it was in this chart. Yeah, as this chart I have got in here, I told you now it's a previous growth point for Bitcoin. But before Bitcoin get this zone broken, actually I told you if Bitcoin going to pass $14,000, it's going to be parabolic to the upside. Now what do we have in here? If Bitcoin break this 19,000 to the upside, this time actually the $21,000 is going to be next resistance for Bitcoin. What I can do, I can put this one in here as well for you. It's going to be around the $20,000 and $20,500 or about $21,000. If we are going to the next chart I have got in here for you, at the moment this upper line for this ascending broadening wedge, I have told you for several times, this orange line and this one as well, as I have told you for several times, is working as a resistance at the moment. And if I go on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see for several times actually it got Bitcoin price got rejected with this trend line we have got, the upper line we have got. If I go back on the daily time frame, what can see on the chart actually, if Bitcoin cannot pass this actually the orange line, the upper line of this broadening wedge we have got in here, I'm expecting another dump from Bitcoin. This time is going to be huger to the downside. Maybe we are going to see Bitcoin is going to $16,800, or maybe we are going to see Bitcoin price mounted $17,000, but we are not going to make a correction yet because we haven't seen any lower low. Still Bitcoin is going up, you know, still Bitcoin on the uptrend. Actually, maybe after we are going to reach the 161% of a Fibonacci extension, which is about $19,500. After that, we are going to see a rejection from Bitcoin. At the moment, Bitcoin is not making a correction till Bitcoin is going to break the previous low. What do we have in here? $17,600 area. Actually, the previous low we have got for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin break this low to the downside, actually, then we are going to see a lower low on Bitcoin. After that, maybe we are going to see a bounce to the upside again, and for next after that, actually, we are going to see a huge correction to the upside. As I have told you last week as well, maybe we are going to see a double top for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to this area actually and make a dump and try again for another time to go back to this area, and after that maybe we are going to see a huge correction on Bitcoin to the downside. The next chart I have got for you actually is this one. As I told you, the previous growth point for Bitcoin was $14,000. This time, if Bitcoin actually break this area, which is about $20,500 for Bitcoin, is actually going to be another growth point for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin break this one to the upside, if Bitcoin break $20,500 to the upside, we are going to see a really massive, huge run for Bitcoin to the upside, maybe about $30,000, maybe about $50,000. But till Bitcoin did not break this one to the upside, we are not going to see a huge run for Bitcoin. I'm expecting a correction for Bitcoin. But if Bitcoin break this one to the upside, it's going to be absolutely crazy for Bitcoin, and nobody can get that one. But at the moment, Bitcoin is playing inside this rising channel. What do we have in here? The middle line of this channel is working. It was working as a resistance for Bitcoin. Now it's working as a support, as you can see in here with the few weeks we had actually to the downside. Anytime Bitcoin is going to this actually the middle line of this channel, the buyers buy more Bitcoin and the price is going back to the upside. We are not sure at the moment if Bitcoin going up or going down. If Bitcoin break actually 18,750, this area, if Bitcoin break it, is going to reach to about a $20,000 area. And cryptocurrency market actually is getting more interesting actually with the huge run we had at the weekend on. Wow, it's still going up. It was just around the $580. Now it's $592. I'm getting huge profit. Thank you so much, God. And what is happening on the Ethereum at the moment, as I have told you last week, actually, just let me reset this one. I have told you about Bitcoin was about this area with the huge candle. You know, before this huge candle, I think it was about this area. I told you I'm expecting Ethereum to get to around the $512, and after that, actually, next target for Ethereum is going to be around the $560. Ethereum actually breaking both of them to the upside. Now what I'm expecting from Ethereum to do, the $670 area is going to be next resistance for Ethereum. I think Ethereum is going to be absolutely crazy this week and next week, and straight to the upside till Ethereum reached to this resistance we have got from the previous high. Actually, no, from 2017 till now. I think this parabolic run is going to be continued to 670. It is not a financial advice, but I think there is nothing to stop Ethereum from this bull run. With this huge run actually on Ethereum, all the alts, most of them actually is going to be, they are making a huge rally to the upside as well. Link, one of my favorite actually, I told you Link is going to be supported with this area, $9.8. Actually, what happened after Link? had a rejection to this downside, actually to this area, $9.8. After that, made a huge run to the upside. As you can see on the chart, we have got this low and we have got the higher low, and now is making a rally to the upside. If a link actually can break this area, which is about 15.31, the next resistance we have got is about $16. And if link can pass $16, no, it's 16.92, which is about a $17 area. If a link can pass this one, the next resistance what we can see is about a $22 or $23 on link, which is so likely for link to do that one. As we can remember, actually we had a huge run from I think $7 or $3 to a $20 area for a link. What I'm going to show you next, actually the total market cap is going absolutely crazy. What do we have in here? We are passing the 61% of the Fibonacci retracement. Now we are in the zone. What do we have this zone about? This zone actually was in 2017 as a really good resistance. Now is working as resistance as well. But the great thing is happening is total market cap on the altcoins actually is not reaching to 61% yet. You know, as you can see in here, what do we have in here? The 61% of the Fibonacci extension. What do we have in here? If I show it to you, from the bottom to this high, and after that we had a correction. Now the 61% of the Fibonacci extension is going to be $200 billion, and after that what do we have in here? A resistance about $208 billion. Maybe we are going to see another pump from altcoins and Ethereum actually to this area, which is about $208 billion. After that, maybe we are going to see a rejection on alts and actually Bitcoin as well. Other thing I'm going to show you is Bitcoin dominance. As I have expected, actually I told you about this area which I had a red cross. I told you we are going to see a correction is most likely for the Bitcoin dominance. We are going to see a correction to the downside. What happened actually, for several times Bitcoin dominance tried to break this area to the upside, but what happened actually, Bitcoin price was about $18,500, $18,000, and what happened actually, the Bitcoin dominance couldn't break this area to the upside. Now we are going to see, actually a rejection on the Bitcoin dominance, and the altcoins are making a rally to the upside. Maybe this dump on the Bitcoin dominance is going to be till about this area, which is about 60% for the Bitcoin dominance. The other thing I'm going to show you, and the last thing actually, is going to be silver. What I can see on silver chart, actually it looks like silver is going to make a correction to the downside, which is maybe we are going to see silver at about $19 actually is so likely. But the thing is, if silver can pass this area to the upside, we are going to see another move from silver to the upside. But it looks like after this dump we had on silver, actually it trying to make a rally to the upside again. But it looks like if silver actually break this area to the downside, I'm expecting another dump from silver to about $19. That was all from me for today. If you have found the video helpful, actually please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much guys, and see you guys in the next one.